Okay. Worker number 5, 09683. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Louder.
1, 2,
Turn louder.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, sir. Please take your seat.
Okay, sir, good afternoon. Please introduce yourself loud and clear.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Alinjan Bert Villapando, 26 years old. I have a live-in partner. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Computer Electronics. I work as a product machine operator for almost 6 years in two different company.
Elson. We finished? Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you say that's all, mom. Thank you. So that I know, ha. OK，这位是26岁，然后他有同居人，他有一个小孩，然后他的那个当地工作经验是从20192月份到20229月份，总共3年几个月，他当那个积累找索人员，然后再来2022 12月份到2025 8月份，总共2年8个月，他也是当积累找索人员。Okay, sir. You write here machine operator in all skilled in services. What kind of machine do you operate?
I operate a filling machine. That's all, ma'am.
So this company is making what? Food? Cookies?
Tomato sauce, ma'am.
Tomato sauce.
Yes, ma'am.
So your work is
I set up and load a material at the machine, monitoring for accurate pouch filling, and conduct quality check for bispill and defect, and adjusting setting as needed while following safety protocols. That's all, ma'am.
okay. Okay. So how about in Mondanisin? So what kind of machine do you operate?
I operate a box making machine, ma'am.
So box making. So your product is box,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Our product, ma'am, is fried noodles, is instant noodles.
I know, but your primary product is box. You
Yes,
create
ma'am.
the box
Yes, ma'am.
for packaging.
Yes, ma'am.
OK，好了，报告问他的那个第一份工作，他学说他在招收器材，然后他在招收哪一个器材，然后他的那个工作内容是什么？然后他说他在找索那个做番茄酱的那个替代的，然后他的那个工作内容是简单的那个上下就是这样，然后再观察。那份工作，我问他在招做哪一些替代，然后他说他在招做那个做像式的那个替代，OK，也是一样，他就是那个啦，他就是上下料而已，然后他上那个 box 嘛，然后做完之后他会下来，对，安落下来的。OK, sir. You write here you work until August ng 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
So from August 2025, what are you doing?
I'm helping my uncle in his shop, auto electrical shop.
So you're doing how do you say this?
Helping my uncle for like rewinding, connecting electrical in auto.
Okay. So kahapon daw sir, imitatan na video sa amin si Payefan, learning 2 Payefan. 然后问他从 Payefan 开始到现在，他在干嘛？然后他说他的那个叔叔那边就是做打工的，就帮忙的，对。Okay, after I will ask you something, ha.
Okay, ma'am.
So, sir, you have a living partner, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, your living partner, are you still together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is she working?
In Taiwan, ma'am.
Oh, in Taiwan. So, we're in Taiwan.
Kaohsiung. Light on
In
company, ma'am.
Kaohsiung. What?
Light on company.
Light on company. So, how many years is she right now working in Taiwan?
Almost 1 year, ma'am.
Almost 1 year. Okay. So, how about your child? Who take care of your child?
My mother,
Right
ma'am.
now,
My mother.
your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, for example, sure, if you will be chosen to work in Taiwan, who will take care of the baby? The same, your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. So I will remind you, sir, no? Your living partner is working in Kaohsiung, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the location of Kaohsiung is in southern part of Taiwan. So if you will be assigned to work in northern part of Taiwan, it's very, very far.
It's okay, ma'am. I want to work
So
in
I
Taiwan.
advise you, I advise you that you can see her only if you have a little time, more than enough time.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just reminding you, because if you will take your ordinary rest day and then you go to Kaohsiung and then you go back again, you don't have time to take a rest. And then the next day you will work. It will be very tiring.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, po.
So please take care of this. And also, sir, do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Indeed.
So what does that mean? Your tattoo, what does that mean?
It's a werewolf.
Werewolf. So for what, sir? Is there any meaning? No.
I love
Or just for fun? The werewolf.
dogs, ma'am.
So you love dogs. How about the other one, the eyes? Whose eyes is this? Your partner?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So you have one child, right? And then, sir, I'll ask you, do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, ma'am.
How many bottles? What
One?
do you drink? Beer?
Yes, ma'am. Only once?
Only one bottle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about smoking, sir?
No, ma'am.
No. How about surgery before? Do you have any surgery?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing, no. Okay. Okay. So问他他有那个去先在他的那个手上面的，然后那个眼睛的部分 我问他那是什么意思，他说那是他的那个董居人的那个眼睛，然后另外一篇就是我问他那个是什么意思，他说因为他爱小狗，然后他用那个进行那个。然后另外一边就是那个狼人的，然后他说因为他爱小狗，养小狗，啊，那是那两个新的不是。然后刚刚问他有没有喝酒，然后他说有，哦有喝酒，然后大概一瓶啤酒的。然后问他有没有抽烟，他没有抽烟，然后他也没有开过刀。然后刚刚问他，如果他因为他有一个小孩，然后他的那个董事人在台湾工作，然后他的那个董事人是目前在高雄，然后已经快1年了。然后问他如果被入戏的话，然后小孩子谁照顾？然后他说他妈妈会帮忙照顾他们的小孩。Doctor, do you have any question?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay, thank you very much for coming to the interview. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.